In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the order number format on Shopify by adding a prefix and suffix to your order numbers. This can be a very handy feature if you want to organize your orders more effectively, or if you're looking to customize the order IDs for better tracking and identification within your business. Tailoring these numbers can add a touch of personalization to your Shopify store, and I'll show you just how simple it is to do this. To start, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Settings option. This is your command center for everything related to your shop's configuration. From here, scroll down until you find the section labeled Order ID. This is where the magic happens. You'll see fields designated for a prefix and a suffix. These are the additional characters that will be added to your order numbers. Adding a prefix or a suffix can be incredibly useful, especially if you have multiple storefronts or if you wish to categorize orders in a particular way for business processes or marketing strategies. Each variation can tell you exactly where an order is coming from or what type of product it pertains to right at a glance. If you've ever found yourself struggling to keep track of orders or need that additional layer of order differentiation, adding these small annotations can save time and effort significantly. So, how do you actually change these settings? Just click on the text field under Prefix, and you can type in any combination of letters or numbers you'd like to appear before every order number. This could be something as simple as web for web orders, or even a date code if you prefer. Next, move on to the suffix field and add whatever additional code you would like to come to after your order numbers. Maybe you want to label these orders by quarter or even specify a particular department they belong to. If you've got an idea of how you want to personalize it, these small changes can make tracking so much easier. Once you've input your desired prefix and suffix, don't forget this crucial step. Go ahead and click the Save button. This simple click ensures that all your changes are applied. After saving, don't be alarmed if your current order numbers don't immediately reflect these changes. They will only be applied to new orders placed afterward. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully customized how your Shopify order numbers appear. We hope this small feature improves your efficiency. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and follow our channel for more handy Shopify tips. Until next time, happy selling.